company that's sort of embarking on a sustainability strategy, how integral is data going to be to that? And can a successful sustainability strategy exist without data?
Absolutely not. So data is a pivotal point in building out your sustainability strategy. It's the golden thread that allows you to understand exactly what's going on in your business. And I think that your carbon footprint is over time going to become the currency that allows companies that produce products but use multiple companies to produce a product. It will allow them to speak the same language. It's super important, but it's also good to know exactly what data you need to be generating, because we don't have the cost or capacity to just take it all in. We've got to be selective about the right data.
We're going through some uncertain times. We've been living through some uncertain times in the last couple of years. So what role can data play in terms of providing more visibility and more clarity within, for example, supply chains?
I would say the role it's going to play is efficiency and optimization at this point in time. If you look at the macroeconomic factors affecting the world, all of these things have got an impact on our ability to produce the right amount. Using data to understand what should be produced for what type of buyer in which kind of geography will allow your entire supply chain to be more streamlined. So I think it's going to play a critical role.
Those external challenges that you mentioned there, Bryan, is it making it even harder for companies to focus on their net zero agenda and their net zero journey?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, it's a very difficult thing to do. At the moment, the regulators are only looking for level 1 and level 2 information. That's going to move down into level 3, where they're looking at the travel type information. So it's very difficult for businesses to adapt to these things quickly, because the rate of change in business is quite slow. And I think AI is going to help change that a little bit, certainly as it relates to sustainability.